I would also like to point out that many of the stalwarts in our space program have been women scientists and engineers. Some 20% of ISRO's key personnel are women. And as women increasingly excel in science and technology studies, this number may only go up. And unlike in our parliament or legislative assemblies, they won't even need reservations either, sir. I can tell you from my experience of addressing many convocations, no, I'm in favor. But I have been giving away prizes at many convocations of science and technology and engineering colleges. And even when the women students are a small minority, maybe 20–30% of the student body, they are 90% of the medal winners, prize winners, and honours winners. This is becoming increasingly a woman's field, and we'll all be the better for it, sir.
So,
she's member also.
No, I'm just wanting to intervene for a minute. It's just an intervention. Have patience. Have patience. Just something very important.
Please.
Sir, I want to make an observation, sir. Dr. Shashi Tharoor ji, you're a very learned and senior member. It's very enriching to listen to his ideas every time he participates in the debate. So you said a lot of good things, sir. But I didn't want to disrupt him in the middle of his speech, but I hope I heard you correctly. You said something in between which I don't much agree to. So you mentioned, if I heard you correctly, I repeat, that there are lots of women, there are lots of girls who are entering the field of science and technology, and hopefully we would see many of them working under our space programs. So unlike our parliament, they wouldn't need reservation to be a part of the space program. I don't much agree to this, sir. It's not very appropriate.
Okay.
Please take it in a healthy light, sir. Just yesterday, listen to me, sir. Let me complete. Just yesterday, we passed a very historic bill providing reservation to women inside the parliament. So it doesn't sound very appropriate because, women don't just have these here because of their capabilities and we should never.
नहीं ये इस ढंग से डिबेट तो नहीं चल सकती. नो प्लीज सिट डाउन. हाँ जा बस क्विक आप बैठ तो जाइए. नहीं आप बैठ जाइए.
Sir, your party has supported this very historic bill,
Shri A. Raja,
which
please.
means you agree to the idea of providing reservation to women for them to reach
जी आप बैठिए प्लीज. ओनली ए राजा ओनली नो आप भी बैठ जाइए. बाद में बात कर लीजिएगा प्लीज. मिस्टर ए राजा नो एक सेकेंड. मिस्टर थरूर बैठ जाइए. प्लीज बैठ जाइए. नो भाई अधीर जी आप बैठिए. आप बैठ जाइए. आप बैठिए तो सही. आप भी बैठ जाइए मैम. नथिंग इज गोइंग ऑन नाउ. ओके नाउ प्लीज. एक सेकंड क्या कहना चाहते हैं आप? अरे आप बैठिए ना.
I would like to clarify, since the minister, the honourable minister, is also a good friend, appears to have misunderstood the thrust of my remarks. I would like to clarify that I meant no disrespect to either women in general or the very many honourable women in this House who have been elected without any benefit of reservation for all these years.
Okay.
We have said, sir, that we need reservation because the numbers are not enough. And that is why we passed the Women's Reservation Bill yesterday. I'm saying that in science and technology, we already have 20% in ISRO and the numbers are going up, sir. That's my point. That's it. Thank you.
जी
सर
हो गया. कुछ कहना है आपको क्या?
सर
अध्यक्ष महोदय मुझे लग रहा है we need not carry this further because I'm very sure and I trust my friend Shashi ji has never been anti-woman.
जी
Mr. Chairman, sir.
Okay.